Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. Children, today we are going to start a new topic which is human excretory system. Children, first we should know that what is excretion. Children, you know that the excretion is the important process in which the elimination of the metabolic waste product, or we can say the nitrogenous waste materials like ammonia, urea, uric acid, they are excreted from our body. So children, the main step of the human excretory system are first a pair of kidney, then a pair of ureters, then urinary bladder, after that urethra. These are the important four parts which are including in the human excretory system. So first children, you can see in this diagram there are two kidneys which are present. The outermost part is called the cortex and the innermost part is called the medulla part. And the pelvis are present in between the kidney. Children, after that the kidneys are joined with the two ureters, and then ureters are then opening into the urinary bladder, and after the last part is the urethra. Children, what do you mean by nephron? Children, nephron is the basic structural and the functional unit of the kidney, and each nephron is divided into two parts. First is the glomerulus part and second is the renal tubules. The glomerular part is like a cup-shaped structure, and after that the renal tubule is the tubular structure. So that each kidney has nearly 1 million tubular nephrons are present. Children, in the tubular continuous, that the proximal convoluted tubules, which means PCT, and then Henle's loop, after that DCT, convoluted tubules, distal convoluted tubules. So children, Henle loop is a hairpin like structure which has the descending and the ascending two limbs are present in the Henle's loop, which are used for the absorption of the ions. Children, the DCT of the many nephrons are open into the last tube, which is called the collecting tubes, where all the excreted part, like we can say the urine, is collected in the collecting duct. So children, that after that we will discuss the urine formation or the physiology of the kidney. The basic three processes in this topic we will discuss the three processes. The first process is the glomerular filtration in the glomerulus part. Second part is the reabsorption, and the third part is the tubular secretion. So children, hope this topic is clear to you. Any query you can ask. Children, today is your homework to draw a well-labeled diagram of human excretory system in your biology notebook and label it well. Thank you children.